Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Egg cooker from Silvercrest. This is the basic model with an electronic timer. Different degrees of hardness in one cooking cycle, soft, medium and hard. Maximum 7 eggs, measuring cup with egg piercer, 3 hardness settings, 450 watts power consumption, roast free stainless steel with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. One meter is the length of the cable. Transparent lid allows you to monitor the cooking process without opening the lid. Comes with measuring cup, maximum, and the piercer for the eggs. The cooking insert for the 7 eggs. Non-stick cooking surface, makes cleaning quick and hassle-free, stainless steel. Here we have the handle, and at the front the control LED, the control dial and on-off switch. Off. And at the bottom we have the storage compartment. You can store the cable here with a silicone patch. It will stay very secure at any countertop. Nice. And to start the cooking process we need eggs, water, nice, I like it. You can choose the white color available. And we have the steam outlet here. Compact and lightweight design, takes up minimal counter space and easy to store. You can boil up to 7 eggs at once, ideal for small or large breakfasts. So let's move on for cooking. First I will try to cook all the eggs to the same firmness, medium boiled to hard eggs. These are large eggs. Choose setting for hard boiled eggs and the control lamp lights up and the cooking begins. As soon the eggs have reached the desired degree of hardness, a signal tone sounds. Turn the control dial to the position off. Now let's check the results. And with a piercer, nice! I like it. You can boil eggs to 2 different degrees of firmness in the appliance. You need to choose always the softest level first. For reliable results, all the eggs used must be of the same size and have the same starting temperature. Add all your eggs and then select the control dial to the softest degree of hardness. Cooks eggs faster than traditional stovetop methods. Ensures perfectly cooked eggs every time. It is a budget-friendly alternative to multifunctional kitchen gadgets. As soon as the eggs have reached the first softer degree of hardness, a signal tone sounds. Turn off the device and then remove the desired number of eggs, in my case 3 eggs. And then choose the corresponding to the desired hardness level of the eggs left in the appliance. And that's the Silvercrest Egg Cooker. Whether you like your eggs soft, medium or hard boiled, this handy kitchen gadget takes the guesswork out of cooking. Fast, efficient and easy to use. It's a great addition to any kitchen. Now let's check the differences between the soft and the hard cook it. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, cooking tips and home appliance insights. You have the option for softer cooking, definitely. Okay, and there is the differences. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay efficient, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.